the number of solutions to the equation x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 equal to 50, where x1 greater than or equal to 1, x2 greater than or equal to 2, x3 greater than or equal to 0, x4 greater than or equal to 0, and x1, x2, x3, x4 are integers. I know I can solve this beautifully. I know a plus b plus c plus d equal to 29. A, b, c, d are natural numbers. I know how to solve it. N minus 1, c, r minus 1, that I know. Here they are not integers. They are not natural numbers. And so they are all integers with different conditions sitting here. It's a little bit of a pain. So what do? Hey, say nice, interesting. x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 50. x1 greater than or equal to 1. x1 is a natural number. Very happy with this. x2 greater than or equal to 2. What I'm going to do, I'm going to say, hey, I'm going to define a p which is x2 minus 1. Why am I doing this? Because if I have this, I can say x2 is greater than or equal to 2 means p is greater than or equal to 1. x3 greater than or equal to 0. Q is x3 plus 1. R is x4 plus 1. If I define PQR like this, then I can say x1 plus p plus 1 plus q minus 1 plus r minus 1 equal to 50. Nothing, I'm just reframing this equation in terms of PQR. x1 I didn't change because x1 is a natural number handed on a platter. If I do this, now I know x1 is a natural number, p has to be a natural number, x2 is greater than or equal to 2, x2 minus 1 is p, it means p has to be greater than or equal to 1, x3 greater than or equal to 0, q is x3 plus 1, q is greater than or equal to 1, r is greater than or equal to 1, or this equation now becomes x1 plus p plus q plus r plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled is equal to 51. Sum of 4 natural numbers is 51. In how many ways is this possible? 50C3 done. We are looking for 50 into 49 into 48 by 1 into 2 into 3. For C3, that formula I should know how to derive it, figure it out, all of that. 50C3, 50 into 49 into 48 by 1 into 2 into 3. This is 2 into 3 is 6, make this 8. 50 into 2 is 100. It's 100 into 49 into 4, which is 19600. Hopefully that is there in our choices. Yeah.